String wax and rail lube combo advantage package. Maintenance equipment for your crossbow. Reduces noise. Improves sting life. Bowstring wax. For synthetic fiber bowstrings. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent vintage. Excellent. Bowstring wax. In particular, Allen Bowstring Wax for synthetic bowstrings. What can I say? It has a slightly floral scent at first, but a good, woody, oaky, I would say, finish. Clearly it has been barrel-aged, but beware the 2012 vintage, it is chalky and harsh on the palate. When I rubbed it ever so gently on the strings of my bow, I think I heard, though I cannot be sure, soft but heavenly music. Would I buy it again? Could I buy it again? Should I buy it again? These are questions too big to ponder. But my one and only experience with it left my heart jumping and my head spinning. This is a wax for the ages.